Hello, this is brown sugar. Today is a dog egg sharing. The hairstyle to be painted this time. It's not the same as my usual style of painting. So no time to wanna. Took a long time to get it done. I'm searching for very much the two dolls I just picked up yesterday. It's really nice. The object is particularly exquisite. It's a pity that brown sugar really can't capture their beauty. Now brown sugar is in a very good mood. So now that you want to get up, accompany me to be a paper man. This assembly is only a lie. The eyelids are also assembled successfully at once. I used to get stuck at every turn. If you don't agree, you have to take it apart and start over. Repeat it 2 or 3 times. To achieve that silky opening and closing effect. Solo Jack, you want to get up. That candy is big. But recently, it's really like getting through the 2 veins of Ren and Dew. The feel suddenly came. Basically, a success. It feels so good. But rather than assembling and sketching, the favorite part of brown sugar is still coloring. Watch the colors spread over the picture little by little. So no time you want to get up. That's it for today's sharing. Bye. My yesterday, you're gonna know about Budagama. The last few days. So CGGH. It's raining naughty. The brown sugar side is directly contracted by the rainwater. Intermittent. Just stopped. I feel like I can go out. He clattered again. He clattered. So now that you wanna. The day before yesterday, while the rain stopped, brown sugar and friends run a food stall on the street, eating stinky tofu and fried potatoes. It smells really good. So I brought a copy for my brother as well. He was confused by the xiang. This is a habit that my brother and I grew up with. We go out. They will bring each other something delicious back. So no time you want to get up. I grew up pretty much without a fight. When I was a child, my brother grew small and soft, like a baby. Brown sugar really likes to hug him. Brown sugar was also very small back then. My mom forbids us to eat snacks. If you say you eat snacks, you can't eat. But the snacks are really delicious. Solo Giant, you wanna. This time the cardboard man is wearing stockings. It's not hard to paint these socks with skin tone. Just cover it with a layer of gray. In fact, at first, I was worried that the brown sugar would not be able to be drawn. I took the pen and tentatively painted it. It worked all of a sudden. So now that you want to get up, it's almost time. That's it for today's sharing. Bye. Hello, this is Brown Sugar. Today is a draft to share. It's the Kez house. I just found out when I cut the video. My hair is all over the place. So no time you want to get up. Such as, it's not good to squat in an air-conditioned room all day. The fan in my room before. My father took it to the living room. All I was left with was a mini electric fan. I didn't expect these 2 days. My mom got me a new fan. The one with the remote control. It's very convenient. I kind of like it. So no time you want to get up. The hair was casually pulled with a clip. As a result, Mary's fan was fully turned on. Guy, yesterday you're gonna know about booty gamma. This video. So CGG Ho and Penny Booty. The skin tone marker is out of ink again. So I took the refill solution and I dabbed it. But just a few strokes. The pen starts to turn white again. Da Da Solo standing in Vonia. The color is still hesitant. It is estimated that the replenishment solution is still less. I'm painting now. Pinch the replenishment solution with your left hand. Make up the color once it's done. Pinch the pen with your right hand. Okay, it's almost time. That's it for today's sharing. Bye.